Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pair your Galaxy Watch 5. First, ensure your smartphone meets the minimum requirements, which is Android 6.0 or higher with at least 1.5 gigabytes of RAM. Next, download the Galaxy Wearable app from your phone's App Store. Make sure Bluetooth is active on both your phone and watch. It's also a good idea to have your watch charged to at least 50% for a smooth setup. Now let's begin the pairing. Open the Galaxy Wearable app on your smartphone. You'll see a Start the Journey or Start button. Tap that to proceed. The app will then search for nearby devices. When your Galaxy Watch 5 appears in the list, simply tap on it to initiate the connection. Keep your watch and phone close, ideally within a few inches, to ensure a strong signal. Once your watch is detected, a passkey will appear on both your phone and watch. Please confirm that these numbers match exactly, then tap Pair or Confirm on both devices. The app will then ask for various permissions to function correctly. Please grant all of them. Finally, review and agree to the terms and conditions to move forward with the pairing process. You're almost done. Continue following the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. You might be prompted to sign into your Google account, which is essential for many watch features. If you've had a Galaxy Watch before, you can choose to restore your data from a backup. Lastly, customize your watch by selecting your preferred wrist and button orientation. Your Galaxy Watch 5 is now successfully paired and ready to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.